building like never before. Highways, fast trains, big solars, wind farms, and industrial areas. But behind all this construction is a quiet yet important sector called project logistics, also known as ODC. This industry plays a key role in moving big machines and heavy parts needed to build the new India. Government initiatives like Gati Shakti National Master Plan with 1.3 trillion investment and Make in India initiatives makes it more important for infrastructure projects in moving heavy machines and oversized parts. But yet, while the sector is growing rapidly, it's still leaving the small fleet owners behind. Let us know why in this video. What is ODC? Overdimensional cargoes which goes beyond standard size and weight limits, such as wind turbine blades, construction cranes, heavy transformers, and parts of power plants and metros. Transforming this, it's not just trucking, it's engineered logistics. Routes must be pre-surveyed, state permits obtained, and also bridges reinformed. And specialized trailers like hydraulic axles and multi-axles carriers deployed. Why is it fastest growing segment in the trucking industry? There are 4 key reasons behind this explosive growth. First, government infrastructure projects. 1.3 trillion under Gati Shakti Master Plan has been pumped to improve roads, rails, port, and also power for large cargo movement. As Indian manufacturers scale up, they are producing more heavy equipments that needs to be moved. Third, renewable energy boom. Solar power, windmill blades, and hydro components are massive and delicate. They need expert transport. It's no surprise that Indian logistics is going to touch $320 billion, being ODC a major contributor. But why is it not helping the small fleet owners? High cost entry. A typical ODC can cost around 1.5 to 3 crores, where a normal multi-axle will cost around 30 to 40 lakhs. Permit paralysis. Each oversized cargoes need state-wise permission, and also one wrong turn clearance, the whole consignment is stuck. Road realities. Many Indian roads can't handle ODC because of the weak bridges, narrow lanes, and poor maintenance lead to delays and damages. Market monopoly. Big logistics players like CG Darcel and Tiger Logistics dominate the industry by their legal teams. In-house route surveyors and long-term contracts with EPCS, engineering procurements and construction companies. Even if they want to, small fleet owners face barriers that keep them out of the game. And also, hydraulic axles and jacking systems are not very easy to buy or rent. No small operators want to risk 5 crores cargo load with market shift. Bank won't even easily give crores of loan even if you have 2 to 3 vehicles. Now let's see the truck value and the cargo value. If a ODC truck costs 1.5 to 3 crores, a multi-axle truck will cost around 40 lakhs, and the cargo value for ODC truck will come across 2 to 50 crores, and multi-axle will have a cargo value of 15 to 40 lakhs. If anything goes wrong, insurance, liability, and loss recovery can destroy a small fleet owner. So even with the segment growing fast, it is not lifting every boat. Contracts go to the giant, small fleet owners are seen unreliable, cost of failure is too high. For every high profile highway inauguration, there are every small fleet owners stuck in that with non-profitable and also delay in payment kind of situations. India is building its giant project, but we can't afford to leave small entrepreneurs behind. Let us know if small fleet owners can participate in ODC. What do you think? We will cover that in the next video. Thank you for watching.